Welcome to your teacher dashboard. After you receive your email invitation, create your account and complete the onboarding process. Once that is done, you will be taken directly to this dashboard. This is your main starting point on Immerly. Here, you can quickly see your students, homework, saved lessons, substitutions, and teaching activity. At the top, you will find the main navigation. You can open the lesson library, learning paths, substitutions, billing, settings, notifications, and your teacher profile. The summary cards show the most important information at a glance. You can see how many students are assigned to you, how many homework tasks are waiting for review, how many have already been graded, and the current class average. On the right side, you can access your saved lessons. These are lessons you have saved from the lesson library, so you can find them again quickly. The substitutions section shows available substitutions. If there are any active substitutions, they will appear here. In the My Students section, you can see the students currently assigned to you, together with their level, learning path, progress, and homework average. You can also manage student invitations from this dashboard. This allows you to invite new students and check whether invitations are pending or already accepted. The Needs Review section shows homework that is waiting for evaluation. This dashboard helps you quickly understand what needs your attention before you start teaching.